SearchYourCloud. It's not just search, it's find. SearchYourCloud is the fastest, most accurate enterprise search available today. It finds any file stored in any location from any device, and we do it in under a millisecond. The SearchYourCloud search is federated, which means we simultaneously search all of your information stores and sources in real time, from the desktop and email to your cloud stores and enterprise applications. And because our search can find content in any of these locations, SearchYourCloud is deployed not only as an enterprise search solution, but also to dramatically improve the speed and efficiency of analytics, big data, and IoT initiatives. Let's take a look at how SearchYourCloud improves the search experience for you. SearchYourCloud is the first user-centered search where you do not have to leave your normal workflow in order to stop and go and find the information needed to complete a task. It is available within a tool that you already employ, Outlook. With one request from a search bar inside Outlook, you're able to find the information you need to get your work done from wherever it is stored. Email, desktop, cloud stores, a database, SharePoint, CRM system, or any enterprise application. With up to 20% of a knowledge worker's time being wasted looking for information, search has a very important role to play. But not just search for the sake of search that finds information. SearchYourCloud allows a user a simple, intuitive way to find a document or email without complex search queries or multiple choice boxes. If you need to find an email to or from someone, type in their name. If you know the subject or context, then add that. SearchYourCloud's patented algorithm will work out what it is you're looking for and find it. So let's see it in action. Here we have Outlook 2013. Up here you'll see we have the SearchYourCloud tab. So what I'm going to do first of all is just put a standard query inside Outlook. So Ken Hawkins data migration. So I'm looking for content to or from Ken, or with Ken Hawkins data migration in, or an email to Ken or from Ken about data migration. Press enter on that, we go to all mailboxes. So Outlook will go and do its search and come back with the results. We have a number of results here. So let's take a look at the first one. That's to Ken Hawkins. I know there's nothing in these attachments here about data migration. So if we go down, we've got Ken Hawkins, Ken, again Ken and Ken Hawkins. Data protection, very important, but not what we're looking for. Ken Hawkins, nothing in there. This particular email is a waste of time. We're not going to find what we need. Again, email to or from Ken Hawkins, nothing in that attachment I know. Data consistency management, very important, and then just general data, not very relevant to what we're looking for. We found Ken, that's cool, that's good. As you can see, Outlook utilizes the same search as most other enterprise or desktop applications implement, and that's keyword search. It's inside SharePoint and Bing and Google and others. It's very unsatisfactory for enterprise search. The documents that come back may be ranked depending on how many times the words are found, but it's not what people are looking for. And then you have to spend the next few moments, next 20 minutes, whatever it is, manually going through that search result to get what you want. So inside SearchYourCloud, you see we have a simple toolbar, login and configure. Inside the configure, you see I have a number of cloud stores, in this instance configured, SharePoint as well as SharePoint Online, and I can add to that easy enough. But if I do the same search here, Ken Hawkins data migration, press enter, and here we go to all mailbox. Again, we'll do the search both here. You see we've searched over here on our desktop and also our cloud stores. There's nothing in there, so I'll just pull that across for a moment. On here, instead of having the 20, 25, 30 results, we've only got 5. So let's take a look at these 5. So this one's to Ken Hawkins. Straight away, one of the attachments is SearchYourCloud data migration, so we know that could be relevant. This one, again, to Ken Hawkins. We have an attachment in there. I don't know what's in that attachment. Let's look down. Just Ken Hawkins, not Ken highlighted. That's good. So actually, let's take a look inside this attachment. Straight away, I'm not sure, so let's just go down. Have a look in here. Is there anything we want in here, which is data migration? Yeah, down at the very bottom. data migration. So in this attachment, there is data migration. So we have an email to Ken Hawkins, which is relevant for data migration. Now the SearchYourCloud search isn't just on phrases and users, it's synonym search. We call it near natural language. So it's able to take reference from lots of different things and bring back. It could be migration of data. It could be database migration. The SearchYourCloud search will come back and look at it and say, yep, that's relevant, or that looks relevant, and bring it in for you. So nothing inside our cloud stores or on our desktop. So I'm going to change the search up here. So Simon Bain, search your cloud, press enter. I'm not going to instigate this search here. I told it not to do it automatically. But over here we've got 199 items on my desktop. I've got 1 item in Dropbox, 3 items in Google Drive. You can notice here that we have the SearchYourCloud symbol on those until we click on it. And the reason for that is these documents are encrypted. To add a document to your favorite cloud store, just drop it down here. Whether it be Outlook, Google Drive, Box, Dropbox, it doesn't matter. The SearchYourCloud application will encrypt that file locally on your system before sending it up to your cloud store. The encryption is AES-256, a heavy-based encryption with a key that is unique to that file, which means that it's nigh impossible for anybody to hack onto that store and get the information from that file. If you want to do something with that file, you can double-click on it, it will open, or you can right-hand mouse click on it, choose Open, Quick Print, Share, Delete. Everything you would normally do with your cloud store. We haven't broken that functionality, we've added to it with the security and the good search in there. So that's how simple and easy it is to use for the user to locate any file or other information needed to complete a task from Outlook or a mobile interface. Yep, a mobile interface, because SearchYourCloud can be used from any computer or mobile device. And because SearchYourCloud indexes all of your information in real time, it guarantees that users will find the data they need as soon as it has been made available, which is why SearchYourCloud is the fastest, most accurate and most secure enterprise search available today. And it's the only customer-centric enterprise search that takes 5 minutes, not 5 months to implement. SearchYourCloud, it's not just search, it's find.